Hey everybody, how's it going? My name is Aline and today I'm here recording a video to talk to everybody about Kerassential. So if you're here watching this video, it means you want to know more about the Kerassentials. Then I suggest you stay here with me until the end of this video because I will be sharing with you guys some infos about the Kerassentials and most importantly, where you're going to get the original product from, all right? So stick with me until the very end, guys. And to begin this video with, I would like to share with you guys where to get the Kerassentials from. So keep in mind, all right, that Kerassentials has an official website, and that official website is the only place on the whole internet where you're going to find the original product on. So to help you guys out, I managed to get the link to the official Kerassentials website, and I left it just below this video in the description box, so you guys can check out that link after you finished watching this video, okay? Just a little quick tip. Remember, if you want the original Kerassentials, get it on the official website. So what is Kerassentials? Kerassentials, guys, is a health supplement that is formulated using organic and natural ingredients. So these ingredients are combined aiming at helping people who are struggling with nail and hair disorders that are caused by fungal infections. It works on the root cause of these fungal infections and eradicates them from powerful ingredients included in this formula. So the Kerassential will go straight to the root cause of your nail and your fungal problems, all right? And it will eliminate them for sure. It has a long-term lasting effect, so you don't need to worry about it coming back. And also it's going to help your hair by thickening your hair, or if you have like really weak hair, it's going to make it stronger and strengthen your hair up, you know? So yes, the Kerassential is for hair and nail disorder, guys. And the Kerassential also offers you a 60-day money-back guarantee. That means that within 60 days of taking it, if you simply don't want to take the Kerassentials anymore, ask for a refund and the support team will help you get all of your money back so you have nothing to lose. It is completely natural and also approved by the FDA and certified by the GMP. So you don't need to worry about any side effects or contradictions because they don't have any. All right, guys? Guys, that's what I wanted to talk to you about. Be sure to visit the official Kerassentials website. The link is just below this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!